Hello guys, I'm Tanishka Jain and I'm Tashi's best friend. Plus, as you have read by the title, I'm going to recreate the look of Preeti Zinta from movie Kal Ho Na Ho. And right now I'm shooting this video because I totally forgot to record my intro earlier. And yeah, I'm like really socially awkward, so I really don't know how the video is going to turn out. But yeah, I'm really excited because it's my first video with my best friend and she literally motivated me to record. And yes, let's get into the video. Back to my YouTube channel.
Okay.
And I'm going to turn her into Preeti Zinta from the Kal Ho Na Ho movie.
Okay. So I'm barefaced. As she told you, she's gonna turn me into Preeti Zinta as Valentine's look.
But there is going to be a twist. I'm going to ask her 10 random questions.
And I have to answer them without any, like practice and everything.
And it is going to be very interesting.
So let's get into the video.
This is the dress that Tashi is going to wear for the look. Okay, तो हम start base से करेंगे.
I'm very scared, guys. Very scared.
मैं pro हूँ. तुम्हें मेरी makeup skills का पता नहीं है. Pat.
I don't know क्या होगा.
मैं pro हूँ, तुम्हें विश्वास नहीं होगा.
वो तो हमें वीडियो के एंड में पता चलेगा.
ट्रस्ट करके देखो, करना पड़ेगा, ऑप्शन भी नहीं है आपके पास.
Shit, yes. Oh no! So guys, like this video is gonna be very real. हम बिल्कुल भी ऐसा behave नहीं करने वाले, very sophisticated friends or anything.
हम बहुत ही जाहिल लोग हैं.
Pet word of Tanishka, जाहिल. Oh, तनिष्का का introduction तो हुआ ही नहीं.
कोई नहीं, बाद में हम कर लेंगे. So हमने बेस के लिए अपना बेस रेडी कर दिया, फाउंडेशन लगा रहे हैं और इसी के साथ मैं अपना फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछने वाली हूँ ताशी. So what is your favorite memory of us?
Favorite memory? बहुत सारी हैं ऐसे, लेकिन one of my favorite memories like when we were in school and the canteen moment, guys. हम लोग चिल्लड़ इकट्ठे कर करके लाइक एक रुपए, सीरियसली एक रुपए इकट्ठे कर करके 30 रुपए की पाव भाजी या फिर मैगी या बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमें कैंटीन से मिलती थी वो.
और अगर चिल्लड़ नहीं होती थी तो हम जाके दूसरों का खाना छीन लेते थे. I still remember हमने स्कूल में बहुत खाना छीना है.
और हाँ, हमने खाना चुराया भी है. सॉरी जिसका हमने खाना छीना है और चुराया है. आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू यू ऑल, बट दैट वाज माय फेवरेट मोमेंट ऑफ अस, लाइक फेवरेट मेमोरी. हम बहुत शैतानी करते थे. हम क्लास में बीच में शी वाज जूनियर टू मी 2 years. तो ये मेरी क्लास में आके ताशी दीदी कर करके टीचर्स के सामने मुझे बाहर ले जाती थी और फिर ये मुझे दूसरे सेक्शन में ले जाके जब इसका पीरियड फ्री होता था खाना खिलाती थी.
मतलब कोई भी रैंडम या कोई भी फ्री पीरियड मिल जाए हम जाके बस चल रहे होते थे. अपनी ये स्कूल की लैंग्वेज थी, बाकी हम खा रहे होते थे.
को पैसा बर्बाद पहन चो.
हम अपने फाउंडेशन के साथ रेडी हो चुके हैं एंड तनिष्का इज स्ट्रगलिंग विद ब्लश.
नेचुरल है बहुत इन चीजों में. So my second question is Tashi. So what's the thing that most people don't know about you?
Like people know that I'm very chill and very like, but I'm very emotional person too. Like very few people know that I'm very emotional. Otherwise everyone thinks that I'm a strong head and I can deal with things. Even when I say to my, like sometimes one of my best friend like Anshul है मेरा और best friend, when I say to him that यार like problem है या कुछ है, he's like तू तो ताशी गौतम, तुझे क्या problem होगी. So वो ऐसे बोलता है मुझे and like बहुत strong head समझते हैं, but मैं बहुत emotional भी हूँ अंदर से.
अब आगे आपका वो वाला पार्ट जिसमें आपका आई मेकअप हो रहा है और इसी के साथ मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So what book has impacted you the most?
First of all, I'm very scared for eye makeup, and second of all, I'm gonna answer that question. So I was in maybe 10th around. वो जो हमारा फेज आता है टीनेज फेज, आपको लव बुक्स पढ़नी होती हैं एंड ऑल दैट. तो मैंने अपनी लाइब्रेरी से उठाई एक बुक 40 रूल्स ऑफ लव. मुझे ऐसा लगा बहुत रोमांटिक बुक होगी, मैं देखूंगी ये वो. एंड व्हेन आई रेड दैट बुक, बिलीव मी, आई वाज डिवास्टेटेड. but that book changed my mind because it was not about love, romanticism wala love. It was about love of human and humanity. And that book changed my impacted me as like, you know, it like changed my thought process of looking towards people, of treating people, of how I, you know, went from like judgy. I was very judgy at a point of time when I was teenager, 14 around, and I really turned into that person who tries to understand the other person's point of view after that. Yeah, that was the book that impacted me the most. That name was 40 Rules of Love by Elif Shafak.
Nice. So guys, I'm on to her other eye and अब मैं इसी के साथ अपना fourth question पूछूंगी, which is Tashi, what kind of a tattoo you are going to have in future on your arm?
So I am thinking like, you know, tattoos are like what we have discussed, both have discussed as best friends. So it's like very minimalistic on my arm, like here or somewhere, yeah. And it's going to be very aesthetic as well because मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा आजकल शौक चढ़ा है aesthetic का. And super soon I think I'll get a tattoo. Yeah, so it's very minimal and aesthetic.
So Tashi, what is the thing that you have changed in this lockdown about yourself?
My lifestyle. Yeah.
And
Like not in this lockdown, basically I did that in my last lockdown also. I changed my lifestyle. I had a very, you know, unhealthy eating habits, and I continued in this lockdown with more, you know, dedication. Yeah, that's what I changed about myself. I changed about my lifestyle, my working process. I started YouTube, of course. And I want more followers. Please, guys, subscribe! Guys, subscribe!
so हम ऑलमोस्ट अपने लास्ट पार्ट पे आ गए, विच इज़ हाईलाइटर. और इसी के साथ मैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ रही हूँ ताशी. सो व्हाट्स द मोस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट?
I had many embarrassing moments in my life. क्या ही बताऊँ मैं. But the recent I discussed with one of my friend was like I was like कुछ टाइम पहले की बात है and मेरे cousin घर आए थे. So हम लोग ऐसे खेल रहे थे and that day I wore a suit. So मेरे कज़न और मैं ना वो फिल्मी वाला सीन में तो ला 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 वो हम रिक्रिएट कर रहे थे ऐसे ही मजाक मजाक में नीचे पार्क में. And most of my friends thought that he's my boyfriend, and everyone started talking about like, you know, look at her boyfriend, he's so handsome, you know, where did you get your like, where did you met him and how did you guys meet? And I got many questions and I started bluffing. And that happened, and you know वो बात ख़त्म हो गई, मेरे दिमाग में नहीं रही. And it like वो बहुत टाइम बाद बात उठी and I got so embarrassed कि no dude, I was so, you know, stupid. I was such a teenager. I was talking about like मैं flaunt कर रही थी as a boyfriend and all that. So वो बहुत वो भी है, silly भी है and embarrassing भी है for me at the same time.
Mixed emotions.
Yeah, mixed emotions.
So इसी के साथ आपका हाईलाइटर डन हो चुका है. So guys, as you can see, ताशी अपने लिपस्टिक खुद लगा रही है क्योंकि भाई वो कॉन्शियस हो जाती हैं. तो इसी के साथ मैं अपना नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ लेती हूँ. सो ताशी, व्हाट्स योर एब्सोल्यूट ड्रीम जॉब?
My absolute dream job to be a travel blogger. Yeah. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा जब मैं छोटी थी like 9th-10th में तो मैं बहुत TLC और ये सब देखती थी और मैं बहुत ऐसे you know इंस्पायर होती थी उन लोगों से. मैं कहती थी मुझे भी you know इसमें जाना है, मैं भी ट्रैवल ब्लॉगर बनूँ.
Take me with you.
And yeah, so my absolute dream job is to be a travel blogger. Yes.
Okay. So now we are off to accessories.
And she has given me these pretty yet elegant earrings. So I'm gonna have it.
So Tashi, I'm going to ask my next question.
Yeah.
What are the top 3 ways you deal with your stress?
Okay. Being on social media, I guess, is very stressful. So on like stress, dealing with stress is like first I talk to my best friends.
Me, obviously me.
Second, I like to, you know, manifest right now. She and I started manifesting recently.
So for the final look, I have given her the watch.
For the Nana look.
Yes. The
I'm very
classic Nana
excited
look.
now कि मैंने अभी तक अपने आप को ना ढंग से like पूरा ऐसे डुई में देखा नहीं है. मैं बहुत excited हूँ how it will turn.
So Tashi, what's the last lie you told?
The last lie I told, she beat me, guys, was that I was sleeping. She called me and I said, I'm doing very important work as my assignment, and just cut the call and I slept.
Bad bitch.
That was the last lie I told, seriously.
So for the final look, the classic Nana look, I'm going to give her the specs. Let me help you, bitch. So guys, hope you have enjoyed the video. Do hit the like button, share,
comment and subscribe to my channel. And like I hope this like मुझे ये look बहुत पसंद आया.
मैंने
Thank
create
you
किया
all.
था.
And yeah, we'll see you next video.